Hey guys, kubuya ngathi kuningi okuzayo from Inimba starting from Monday the 22nd to Friday the 26th of June 2026. Uyanga ngapha i-matric dance yakhe goes south, umawethu ngapha is intimidated by the return of uLwandle. Bese zoba uqhawe ngapha getting tired of seeing Azande in her mom's house. So kuningi ngempela, and I would like to share with you guys some of those things that you can expect on the show this upcoming week. So if you're interested, then do stay tuned to this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you to like it, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also support by scoring down the channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let us quickly get into it. Now uLwandle returns from prison njengoba kade beshilo vele uma wakhe nobaba wakhe ukuthi usezobuya, and uma ngabe buya, first thing that he does ukuvakashela impilo yakhe yakudala phela umawethu is not comfortable at all. Bekade ne-stress lapha nobhuti wakhe ukuthi what if uLwandle came for revenge, and obviously umawethu will not relax because one thing that he'll think about ukuthi since uLwandle sebuyile, obvious he's gonna take my position like company, and there is going to be competition because uLwandle now uzobe na at the back of his mind into ethi umawethu phela uyena lo wangibophisa wahamba ngicebe wonke umuntu ukuthi mina wabulala lo mfana loyana. So there'll be that. Angazi noma uLwandle implement that noma mhlawumbe uzobuya abe a changed man, but I doubt uLwandle and the changed man, no, I doubt. So asazi, and obviously umabandla naba not gonna be happy with the fact that uLwandle is back, but ngathi konke lo bawubona leli sonto leliya because kuleli sonto soliqala bazobe business kinga zikayanga. Kubuye ngathi ayikho into kayanga sebusuku ehlanganayo because beniqale ngebirthday celebration yakhe that landed her in hospital. Now uyabuya i-matric dance yakhe naye angazi ukuthi ubani usomile lo mfana loyana boyfriend yakhe la yakhona angazi yenzakaleni. Umfana ushaye heartbreak wacasuka, manje uyanga usenkingeni, and he is trending on social media for all the wrong reasons. So you're gonna have to wait for this week to start uze sibone kwenzakaleni. Noqhawe ngapha khathela ibhadi uAzande egcwelile phela uAzande use-right manje. So uqhawe kwathi uAzande to leave her mom's house because we have seen on the teasers emxosho umbuzo ukuthi kanti wena ubuyela nini kini kade uhleli la ekhaya. So guys, kuningi that you can expect on the show this upcoming week, and I'm really excited to watch, and I hope that you are as excited as I am. So comment down in the comment section guys, share your thoughts, share your opinions, nisho nicabangani about the teasers of Inimba. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.